Hey people, this is just a quick video on how to install and delete add-ons on games on your PS5. So you want to navigate to one of the games here at the top, then on your PS5 controller you want to click the options key. This will bring up this little menu and you want to come down to manage game content. And here it will list all the add-ons that are available for this game, and you can simply click on the list to install them. This game doesn't have any add-ons, so you're not seeing anything in the list. However, this is where you will find the add-ons for your games. So that's how you install. Now deleting them isn't from this window, so you need to come back out to the main page and come up to the settings. You want to come down to storage. Now you want console storage. Now game and apps. You want to come down to the game again. So we'll do the Tony Hawk's and press the options key again, and any add-ons that you've added will be listed here. So then you want to click them and this will bring you up an option to delete the add-ons. For some reason you can't do it from the other window, you have to do it from this window. That's how to install and delete add-ons on your PS5. I hope that video helped you out.